On August 16, 2024, a sudden glacial lake outburst flood occurred in Thyanbo Glacial Lake, located in Solukhumbu, Nepal. Triggered by intense melting and rising temperatures, the lake breached its natural barrier, sending a torrent of water downstream. This aerial footage shows the aftermath, captured from an aircraft shortly after the event. The outburst caused significant damage to the Tem region, threatening lives, infrastructure, and livelihoods. This alarming event highlights the urgent need to monitor glacial lakes in the Himalayas. NDWI, or Normalized Difference Water Index, helps identify water bodies by using green and near-infrared bands. MNDWI, or Modified NDWI, replaces near-infrared with shortwave infrared, making it more accurate in snowy or mountainous regions. For high-altitude lakes like Thyanbo, MNDWI gives more reliable results, minimizing confusion with snow and ice. In this study, the researcher analyzed the spatiotemporal changes in Thyanbo Lake from 2017 to 2024 using satellite imagery and water indices, NDWI and MNDWI. This animated video illustrates the spatiotemporal changes in Thyanbo Glacial Lake using NDWI and MNDWI indices. The changes in lake area over time were derived from satellite imagery and processed using Google Earth Engine. Overall change from 2017 to 2024. Area increased from 33,700 square meters to 51,500 square meters, plus 52.82%. This research was done by Sonia Koirala, Sabita Sapkota, and Bimal Prasad Joshi on 2024, June 13th.